Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I'm back with a new reaction video and today I'll be reacting on our trailer Bad as Ravi Kumar official trailer. So over here, Himesh Reshami is there. So chalo, without wasting any time, let's check the video out. So let's start.
तेरे शरीर में इतना खून नहीं होगा जितना रवि कुमार एक बार में मूत देता है।
उस रील के बदले मुझे ये हार चाहिए।
ये हार मोहम्मद शेख के कैसल में दुनिया की सबसे हाईटेक सिक्योरिटी के अंडर में रखा हुआ है।
मुझे ये हार ला कर दो या फिर उस रील को भूल जाओ।
तू बुरा है तो मैं बुरे लोगों का नवाब हूं। तू बड़ा होके बिगड़ा होगा, मैं बचपन से खराब हूं।
What we really need is a badass cop.
मुजरिमों को जो सजा दे उसे सरकार कहते हैं, मुजरिमों को जो उड़ा दे उसे रवि कुमार कहते हैं।
भाई ये तुम हर बात पे डायलॉग क्यों मारते हो?
क्योंकि हर सुपर हिट एक्शन से पहले सुपर हिट डायलॉग जरूरी होता है।
दहशत का पता, तबाही का घर, कार्लोस पेड्रो पैंथर।
सिगरेट पीता नहीं है पर सिगरेट के बिना जीता भी नहीं है।
जिन तूफानों में तुम जैसों के झोपड़े उड़ जाया करते हैं, हम उन्हीं तूफानों में अपने कपड़े सुखाया करते हैं। जगावर चौधरी। मेरे संस्कारों में मुझे मरने की इजाजत है, डरने की नहीं।
अरे रुको रुको रुको, सबर करो भाई।
तू कौन है बे?
हम चाइना का जासूस है। हमारे दर्दी का किस्सा दूर दूर तक फैला है, मालूम?
हमने तुम्हारा कोई किस्सा नहीं सुना।
अरे तुम कैसे सुनोगे? तुम दूर कहाँ हो? तुम तो नजदीक हो। दूर जाके देखो, सुनाई देगा, है ना?
कुंडली में शनि, घी के साथ हनी और रवि कुमार से दुश्मनी सेहत के लिए हानिकारक हो सकती है।
आ रहा हूं मैं।
इमिग्रेशन के बाद सीधा तेरा क्रिमेशन होगा।
चूहों और हिंदुस्तानियों में फर्क क्या है?
सिर्फ एक बॉर्डर का। सुधर जा, नहीं तो गुजर जाएगा।
Guys, I'm not happy at all. I am not at all happy. I mean, seriously, Himesh, after like यहाँ 2025 में आके, if you are giving us such a movie, like ये देख के I'm like by looking at the trailer, I can understand that it is not going to be a super duper hit movie. Mediocre हो सकता है, flop भी हो सकता है, but not super duper hit movie. The editing level is, क्या कहूँ मैं, रोऊँ या फिर मैं हंसूँ, मैं क्या कहूँ लाइक आई वॉज सो एक्साइटेड। मैंने ये जो ट्रेलर देख रही थी एंड देयर आर पीपल हु वर टेलिंग दिस ट्रेलर देख के इज गॉड लेवल मूवी एंड ऑल्सो आई थॉट कि ओ माई गॉड, मैं लाइक साउथ की तरह शायद मूवी ये लोग करेंगे। आई एक्सपेक्टेड दैट, बट व्हेन आई वॉच द ट्रेलर, नो, I am not at all happy with it. मेरे हिसाब से okay guys, this movie is not going to be a good movie. They have tried to create it. You can see good actions over here. Dialogue बाजी अगर आपको पसंद है तो you are going to get to see a lot of dialogues. What they did is that they basically try to copy जो साउथ का जो स्टाइल है, ठीक है, टॉलीवुड का जो स्टाइल है, they try to copy that style and directly they try to use that style and do it, give us a movie. But copy कर रहे हो ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, if you are copying no problem, but do it in a proper way. Yeah, you got right at the VFX is so horrible over here. Like from the trailer I can understand the VFX is so horrible. He tried to give us that action shots and all, that is still fine, but when he was climbing down from the tomb, it was bakwas. एकदम से बकवास. He tried to take a lot of actresses, beautiful actresses. Sunny Leone is there, and Sunny Leone action. Oh my god, I'm excited कि Sunny Leone कैसे action कर सकती, because I couldn't imagine her doing action. Most of the time I have seen her in item songs, in acting. She's not a good actress. She might be good looking one, but she can't act well. Okay, and other than that, see over here he's going through the rope ऐसे करके, जैसे Mission Impossible दिखाते हैं ना, he's trying to take some steps from there as well, which was बकवास. The editing, ठीक से editing करो ना. You were just wasting your money when you were trying to give us, when you acting after such a long time, when you are coming back in Bollywood trying to do something, then give us a good shots, right? These things are totally bogus. Like or even here 45 seconds में if you see he's coming down the running and coming down the tomb, which was एकदम से बकवास. It was looking horrible. देख के लग रहा था कि it is totally VFX एकदम child वाला, छोटा छोटा जो मैं क्या कहूँ, people who have not done anything, they have just started doing VFX, एकदम immature, amateur VFX वाला, amateur people. He's looking like someone amateur VFX and editing skill has been done with from an amateur person. I don't know. Action तो थोड़ा बहुत मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है. The dialogues they have given is थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा ही डायलॉग लग रहा है. If these things have been, if it would have been in 90s and all, then we could have understood ki a dialogue and all those were, but okay, like we could have digested. But this dialogue which he is giving in this movie, it's not at all. I'm not happy. I'm disappointed with that dialogues and all. And also he tried to give us a shot, like first he tried to do some action and he tried to cut the body in half and he tried to show them that wala scene, like very dark wala type of movie he tried to show. But no, that over there also editing was ghatiya. Now over here Johnny Lever, he has taken Johnny Lever for fun and all. ठीक है, वो सब ठीक है, no problem. You take as much actor, director, and he is totally looking different. Like मुझे तो पहले समझ ही नहीं आया था that this is Himesh Reshammiya. Yeah, you will get item song from there. You can see that you are going to see item song, some item numbers, some beautiful girl showing off their skin, but ultimately it's not up to the mark. And Prabhu Deva is also there, and I don't know, I'm not happy. I'm totally disappointed. That's not what I expected, but I don't know. Let's see when it hit the theater. 7 February को release होगा, so there's a lot of time. Let's see what happens. So this is the first trailer. I guess there are more trailers that are going to come, hopefully. So we need to see that as well. Guys, do let me know what do you think about my review and if you agree or not. If you don't agree, if you agree, do comment and let me know. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and family. I am more than happy if you could, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button. Okay, so that whenever I bring new videos, you will be notified. Okay, and don't forget to like as well. Your support means a lot to me, guys. Thank you to all my family members. Thank you everyone who have trust on me and you have subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much. I'll be ending my video here. Tata, bye bye, see ya.